What are freestanding dishwashers? Superb 8 advantages and disadvantages of this appliance. Milkwood. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Advantages of freestanding dishwashers. Relatively simple to put in and take out. For the most part, less expensive. If you decide to move, you can take it with you, especially good for renters. Under most shelving systems, it can be fitted. An easy to clean surface. You won't have to clean up after yourself. Disadvantages of freestanding dishes. Disrupts the clean lines of the kitchen. At times it's louder,